Aries. Aries symbol. Today's new moon can serve to increase your awareness of the preciousness of life, dear Aries, and can lead you to a resolution to reach out more often to others and to take better care of yourself going forward. Now is an excellent time to think about plans to improve emotional health and wellness. You might decide to confide in someone, pay particular attention to a significant person or project in your life, or work on gaining new independence from debilitating debts or attachments. It's about the chance to start fresh, and it can stir up your need or desire for intimacy and closeness. A burning itch to get to the bottom of matters or to throw yourself in an intensive project or endeavor can emerge. Particularly regarding relationships, finances, self-worth, and respect, life seems to be showing you where you need to make changes and improvements now. Think innovation. Tensions may surround money, ownership matters, sharing, or power dynamics. Whether someone owes you respect or money, the situation can come to a head. Taurus. Taurus symbol. Today's new moon can bring a burst of energy or motivation in the direction of close relationships and partnerships, dear Taurus, which are evolving. This lunation brings new energy to partnering. It's a time for recognizing the critical role relationships play in your life, or it helps you understand your relationship needs and goals. There can be reminders of your need for closeness now. The weeks ahead are powerful for your connections, whether these unions are platonic, business, or romantic. It's a time of new beginnings and improvements. You might bring a relationship to a new level or make a significant connection. There can be some impulsiveness today, so it would be wise to distinguish between making changes for the sake of change, and making changes that will genuinely propel you forward on an improved path. The challenge is to find the right balance between partnership and independence. Reacting is easy, but learning from your experiences is the intelligent thing to do now. Express your appreciation for people who matter most to you, especially if you're also driven to assert your independence. You may be dealing with resistance or opposition to your ideas or plans, or people in your life can trigger issues of freedom that you need to explore. Through self-discovery, you are in a unique position to consider new ways to improve your satisfaction from your partnerships. Gemini. Gemini symbol. Today's new moon brings on the potential for a new beginning in the areas of work, health, wellness, fitness, and habits in your life, dear Gemini. There can be blocks or surprising events that prompt the need to make changes and improvements now. The next couple of weeks are active for improving these areas of your life with a take charge, fresh, and focused attitude. This lunation coincides with the Sun-Uranus yearly opposition, giving it more power than usual. If you've been feeling at the mercy of others' schedules, the resulting tension can motivate you to make necessary changes. You may very well discover what you've been missing in your life, which sets you on a path to finding it. You are challenged to find a better balance between work and rest now, and it's definitely within reach, although it may seem a daunting task. This cycle is about getting on top of daily schedules and routines and taking better care of your daily affairs. Your new beginnings may be the result of an unexpected change that alters your focus or direction. Aim to get the plan right in the next few days before pushing forward. Cancer. Cancer symbol. Today's new moon occurs in your sector of romance, hobbies, and creativity, dear Cancer. A fresh start is possible in one or more of these areas. This lunation prompts new beginnings for self-expression. You recognize your need to entertain, be entertained, celebrate, enjoy, and share yourself with others, and doors are opening to do so now. With the Sun-Uranus opposition tied into the new moon energy, your social life can be buzzing. You might experience a pull, disagreement, or discrepancy that prompts you to make changes. There is an element of surprise, rebellion, or change in the atmosphere around you, and it can be disruptive or highly stimulating. Friendship and creative directions can change. You're likely to feel equally divided between feeling free and getting closer to a person or project, and the need to strike a balance will follow from this division. Leo. Today's new moon gives you fresh start energy for domestic matters, family, home, and personal matters, dear Leo. Changes or instability on the career front can affect your home life, and now is the time to make some adjustments and improvements. This lunation gives you a charge of energy for improving your personal life. Family and home-related activities are in sharp focus, although today holds the potential for some especially impulsive energy in these areas. Changes or surprises are courtesy of a Sun-Uranus opposition also happening today. These can be disruptive on the one hand but revealing on the other. Career or life path uncertainties, drives, or inconsistencies can disrupt your comfort just for now. Consider that there could be emotional needs for change and excitement that you may not be acknowledging, and the sooner you get in touch, the more informed your decisions will be. Virgo. Today's new moon awakens a need to reach out, learn, connect, and share, dear Virgo, with new beginnings or channels becoming available to do so. Unanticipated schedule changes, deadlines, new perspectives, or unpredictable changes can be at the heart of these. Catching up and staying connected will likely boost your morale. Life loses some of its predictability now as the new moon ties in with the annual Sun-Uranus opposition. The week ahead can be a time for awakening to a new perspective, but it may take some mind racing to get there. While events or realizations occurring now can be disruptive, they can motivate you to make exciting changes. Relationships can be unsettled temporarily, but interactions can lead to breakthrough thinking. You have little tolerance for restrictive, limiting conditions and attitudes, so that if someone is dealing with you in a rigid or pushy way, you're likely to go another direction. You serve yourself best if you make changes from the heart rather than merely through knee-jerk reactions. Fortunately, there can be exciting news, or what you're learning can be invigorating. Libra. Today's new moon reminds you of the need to take charge of your practical priorities, dear Libra. The goal might be to get on top of your finances, business, and sense of security. Matters of stability, safety, respect, and physical comforts are in stronger focus. Nevertheless, there can be a bit of chaos to get to the calm. It's all about stimulating positive change, especially if it helps you build up or take charge of your resources. This new moon ties into the annual Sun-Uranus opposition, and surprises or changes of plans can push you along a new path. As much as you want to find a better balance and sense of harmony in your life, a strong desire for freedom emerges as well. This influence can undoubtedly light a fire under you for finding ways to be more independent, financially or otherwise. Tensions about money, debts, and obligations can motivate you to work harder or smarter. Watch for impulsiveness with money and combativeness in relationships. Avoid knee-jerk reactions to surprises now, aiming instead to tap into the inspiration to improve and grow. It can be a wonderful time to discover buried needs and desires. Scorpio. The new moon today occurs in your sign, dear Scorpio, and the weeks ahead are likely to be busy and significant. As exciting as this fresh energy feels, do your best not to push things too quickly, or you might run out of steam and encounter opposition. It's a time for reinventing yourself in some meaningful way or for a personal new beginning. Take charge of your life. You're in the spotlight and, even with some uncertainty, you feel you're in the driver's seat. This year's new moon occurs around the same time as the Sun's opposition to Uranus, and other people's curveballs, unreliability, or defiance can motivate you to be a little more self-sufficient. Someone significant can be triggering dormant needs for freedom, independence, and excitement, and you are likely to learn important things about yourself and personal goals through your experiences and interactions now. A new perspective can emerge through your dealings. As you advance, you're likely to make improvements related to mind, body, and spirit. Sagittarius. Today's new moon occurs in the sign just behind yours, dear Sagittarius, strengthening your desire and ability to put the past behind you. The need for a fresh approach to taking downtime or to your spiritual side overcomes you now, and an erratic or unpredictable schedule can prompt this need. You receive a boost of motivation to tie up loose ends, close up projects, handle private matters, and pay better attention to your emotional health. Events and realizations occurring now and in the coming week remind you to slow down and get time for rest and reflection. You're in an excellent position to process recent events and find ways to put dysfunctional matters behind you. In so doing, you free up emotional space for inviting new energy into your life. The weeks ahead are good for physical and psychological replenishment. A Sun-Uranus opposition today can trigger a need for independence, self-sufficiency, freedom, and innovation. Because it occurs so close to the new moon, its energies last longer, and you can find these themes active for at least the coming week. A new awareness of buried needs can push you in the direction of positive change. Lifestyle changes that support a more authentic, balanced approach to work and rest can be in focus. Aim to be flexible and open to possibilities, but perhaps most importantly, to innovate rather than rebel. There are loose ends to take care of before your new beginnings. Capricorn. Today's helps clear paths, dear Capricorn, and you're turning over a new leaf with friendships. Unpredictability in your personal life can stir the desire or need to begin anew. You might connect with others or your cherished dreams and goals, now with a new mission. A fresh start is possible in your social life or with happiness goals, causes, and projects. The weeks ahead are vital for reaching out to others and gaining cooperation. A sense of belonging or the desire to contribute to something bigger than yourself can be important themes. It's a time for reinvigorating your social life. Or, this energy may be about energizing your sense of connectedness with others and hopes for the future. Cooperation, collaborating, and delegating seem to bring rewards. With the new moon closely opposite Uranus, surprising events can trigger new beginnings. Part of you wants to join in, and another craves the freedom of minimal ties, and finding a balance becomes necessary now. Changes in plans or sudden events can demand a new approach, particularly with friends, lovers, children, and possibly a creative project or favorite cause. Epiphanies can occur about a relationship or creative direction. A friend could push you in the right direction to find suitable outlets for your creativity and self-expression. Keep an open heart, mind, and schedule for best results with this brilliant influence. Take your time drawing conclusions, as it's a good idea to feel out discoveries before making the more significant decisions. Aquarius. The new moon today can give you a push for a new beginning on a professional front, dear Aquarius. Still, there can be some initial frustration or indecision surrounding changes in your home or personal life that temporarily throw you off kilter. They can also push you towards realizing your goals. You may need to deal with unpredictability with living conditions or arrangements if they interfere with your outside obligations. This new moon prompts a new approach to your responsibilities. It occurs at the top of your solar chart and can push long-term goals and performance to the top of your priority list for the coming weeks. You have the power to reshape your reputation and professional goals in beneficial ways now. You could find yourself more visible, in the lead, or in demand. Decisions about significant crossroads and life paths or directions are in focus now. There may be some balancing to do with managing home life and your energy levels. A Sun-Uranus opposition ties into this new moon, and your challenge is to find a better balance between independence and togetherness, work and home life, security and excitement, or public and personal life. It's not always easy, but events occurring now can motivate you to take on the challenge. Watch for rebellious reactions that don't serve you well. Focus, instead, on innovations. Life seems to accelerate, and this can give you more courage to do something you've always wanted to do. Aim to know your own heart before acting on it. Pisces. It's not yet the time to take action or begin anew because a new moon is just ahead, dear Pisces. Still, this is a fine day to put something behind you, a matter that's been weighing you down or standing in the way of personal growth. You might naturally pull yourself back from the world just a little so that you can collect yourself and make space for positive new energy to enter your life. The sun has been transiting your spirit sector, gently encouraging you to learn new things, but it's the new moon tomorrow that seals the deal and helps you move forward. Today favors contemplation and observation, and you might choose to lay low in some way or pull yourself out of regular activities to connect with your deeper needs and desires. While you are inclined to be a little introspective, the day is nevertheless good for communication. Generally, though, it's a good time to slow down and pace yourself, and you'll find that things fall into place as you do. Enter text you wish spoken here.